today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a transparent background using Photoshop 2025. Whether you're looking to isolate an image or simply want a clean, clear background, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure you have Adobe Photoshop 2025 up and running on your computer. This powerful software is perfect for photo editing tasks, and today we're focusing on removing backgrounds efficiently. Once you're all set, let's move on to adding your image. Open your desired image in Photoshop by either dragging it into the workspace or using the Open File menu option. It's crucial to have a clear idea of which part of the image you want to keep. With your image open, let's move on to making the selection. For this task, we'll use the Magic Wand tool, which is effortlessly effective for selecting objects quickly. Simply click on the Magic Wand icon in the toolbar, usually located on the left-hand side. If it's not immediately visible, it might be nested with other selection tools. The Magic Wand tool works wonders with distinct objects and backgrounds, enabling you to select areas quickly. For even faster precision, utilize the Select Subject command found under the Select menu. Photoshop will automatically determine what it thinks you're trying to isolate, simplifying your task considerably. Once your selection is made, you'll want to copy the object. You can do this easily by using the shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard, which copies the selection to your clipboard. After copying, proceed to paste it into a new layer using Ctrl+V. This step ensures your object is separated from the rest of the image. Now let's address the background at hand. On your Layers panel, you should see the original image along with the newly pasted layer. Select the layer with the original image and simply delete it by pressing the Delete key. This action will leave you with just the object on a transparent canvas. With the background now removed, it's time to save your work. Head over to the File menu and choose Save As. When selecting the file format, ensure you choose PNG. The PNG format is essential as it supports transparency, unlike JPEG, which would add a white background to your image. So, select PNG and save your file to your preferred location. And there you have it. Your object is now isolated with a transparent background ready for use in any project you have. With practice, this process will become second nature, making your design tasks much more versatile. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!